Hey everyone, I'm Stephanie Stevenson and thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel and tutorial. Today we're going over the famous body roll from front to bottom, bottom to top. So we're going to break it down really slow. I'm going to give you some tips. I'm actually going to give you many tips to help you out with the body roll, no matter how fast or how slow. In salsa, we isolate a lot and we move our body a lot. And that's one of the main questions I get asked on a daily basis here at the studio and online. So I'm going to make a but a brief couple of things to help you throughout your salsa adventure. So here we go. We're going to go front. Okay, I put most of my weight on that right leg. Back, I transfer it. It's even weight, but I would say mostly on my toe. So we go front, and make sure you go back because then you have to center yourself out and then bend your knees down. Again, front, back. Take it back like you're taking a breath of fresh air, and then exhale, down. 1, 3, and 4. 1, 2, center, down. 1, 2, center it, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, you're going to go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, and then you pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, put all that weight on the right, 2, 3, and neutralize the weight. And again, right transfers to the left, and then both feet have the weight. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to reverse that body roll. You're going to sit, and then all you're going to do is like if someone kicked you in the butt. Boom. So sit down, bring it in, back, lift the back up, and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, sit down, 1, pelvis 2, take your back up and forward. Sit down, pelvis, take the back, take the back, and then forward. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. One last time. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Now, let it flow all together and bend 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now from here, we're going to take it front, down, down, up. Okay? So you're going to do chest forward. 1, 2, center, and down. Since you're already bending down, now you do pelvis, back, and shoulders. Okay? You're already front, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to gradually bring it all together. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Salsa counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, a 5. A little faster. And a 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to turn it over so you can see it from the back. I just realized I have my salsera phone in my back pocket. I'm going to throw it to my husband, and I'm going to show you it from the back. I was here, so maybe I'll do here. And excuse my coffee in my booty because my husband spilled coffee in the car seat, and that's why my booty's brown. So here we go. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, sit down. Again from the top. 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Since we're already sitting down, I'm going to tuck in my booty, back, forward. Down, take your as you go down, you pick it up and you take your back up, forward. So down, pelvis, back, forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now we're going to do top to bottom, bottom to top. And you go front, back, stomach, and down. Since you're already down, that's your 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, pelvis 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to smoothen it out, and you go 1, 2, sit 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7, and a 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. That's your body roll, top to bottom, bottom to top. However, an extra tip to help you at home. For extra practice, you go up against the wall, you stick your toes all the way to the wall, and you bend your knees. You want to make sure every single part of your body touches the wall up to your chest, and then you sit it back down. Watch this. You go bend, tuck everything till your chest hits, and then your chest, take it back. Trust yourself that you're not going to fall till you sit back down and your knees are touching the wall. Again, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. That's a little tip. If you have a wall at your house, you can practice on your wall. So that's it for today. There's your body roll. Thank you for coming to the YouTube and following my body roll tutorial. And remember, we're in LA. So if you're in North Hollywood, come check us out. If not, Salsa with Stephanie on Instagram or StephanieStevenson.com. Thank you for coming. Bye.